Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about use of input and clear commands in Karate. Input method in Karate will take two string arguments, locator and value, to be entered. Example is this one. So here I am using the catch-all symbol. You can replace this by given, when, then, or by and keyword. Then use the input method, and in the argument section you have to pass the locator value. You can pass XPath, CSS, ID, etc. And you have to pass the value to be entered as the second argument. Clear command is used to clear the value which you have entered in a text box or search box or anything. So this is the example. You can use the clear method and you can pass the locator value. Now I am going straight into the demo. In Eclipse IDE under Karate UI testing project, under SRC test Java, there is example.uses. Under that package, I have created a input and clear dot feature, and I have mentioned this input and clear dot feature in the user runner. So this is the JUnit runner. So using this only we can run the feature file. So I have mentioned the file name here. Now I will be explaining this particular feature file. The feature name is use of input and clear commands. In the background section, I have written the basic browser setup commands. So here I am opening the Chrome and opening URL, then I am maximizing the window, and I am giving a delay of 2 seconds to slow down the execution. In the scenario section, I am using input method and entering username, value, standard user into this input. Now I will be opening this particular website in browser. So I have already opened Chrome. So this will be the website we will be using. Now I am going to inspect this website. In the elements tab, I am going to copy the locator which I have mentioned here. So this is an ID. I am copying it. Click Ctrl F, and if you paste the locator, you can see it have identified the username text box. So if you check the username text box, you can see there is a ID. So to use ID, you have to use the hash symbol and followed by the ID value. So in the username field, I am entering the value standard user. So these are the accepted usernames for this particular website. Now after that, I am giving a delay of 2 seconds. So first I have shown the usage of ID as a locator. Now I am going to show the example of using XPath. So this is the XPath for password text box. I will copy the XPath. I will paste here. So this XPath will be locating the password field. You can see 1 of 1. So this is locating password field. The password field, I am entering the value secret source. Again giving delay of 2 seconds. After I am using the CSS locator, you can see for clearing the value entered in username text box, I will copy this CSS value and I will be showing the CSS locator identifying the username field. I am pasting it here. You can see the CSS locator have identified the username text box. I will not be showing how to write CSS, XPath and ID. So that's the basic thing you have to use, understand and learn while doing UI automation. So I am not going to cover. I have covered those things in other playlists, so I am not going to cover those things. Now I am moving back to the code. After clearing the value in username field, I am giving a delay of 2 seconds again, and also I am clearing the value entered in the password field using the XPath for password field. So I am copying this XPath. So this XPath will be identifying the password text box. You can see it have identified the password text box. It's identifying 1 of 1, so it's unique. After that, I am giving a delay of 2 seconds. So the delay is given in order to slow the execution so that we can see the changes in that UI clearly. Now I am going to execute this feature file by running the uses runner Java file. So this particular Java class will be executed using JUnit. You can see I have mentioned JUnit here. Now I am going to run this class, run as JUnit test. You can see that the execution has started. The source demo website has been launched and its maximized state. Enter standard user, enter password, cleared the username field and password value. The closing of the browser will be done automatically by Karate. There is no need to add any additional step for that. So this is how you can use input and clear commands in Karate. I have used locators like ID, XPath and CSS. You can use other locators as well. Just you need to understand how to write locators, that's it. So I hope this particular session is very useful for everyone. If you find this particular video interesting and helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.